to another exciting update in the world of finance. Things are about to get even more intriguing as we delve into a unique feature offered by FTX. This feature has revolutionized the way we trade, allowing for the exchange of synthetic shares and tokenized stocks. These digital assets mirror the price movements of real stocks, opening up a world of possibilities for traders and investors. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of this feature. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. FTX has introduced a groundbreaking concept, the ability to trade synthetic shares and tokenized stocks. These are essentially digital representations of real stocks, and they can be bought and sold on the FTX platform. But what's even more fascinating is the redemption process. According to the FTX team, customers have the option to exchange these tokenized stocks for actual shares through FTX branch in Switzerland. Imagine you could be holding synthetic shares of a company like AMC, and with this feature, you can turn them into real AMC shares. Here's where the intrigue deepens. If FTX users didn't possess the actual AMC shares required for conversion, where did FTX source these shares to provide to institutional investors? Many are speculating that in the initial stages, the tokens themselves weren't genuine. People were essentially trading in artificial synthetic tokens on the platform. Subsequently, these artificial tokens could be converted into synthetic shares, creating a peculiar loop of synthetic assets. And it's not just limited to AMC or GameStop, it extends to a variety of stocks. It appears that any company that piqued the interest of institutional investors, particularly short sellers, could be found as a token on the platform. During this period, they could be redeemed through the Switzerland branch. The implications of this are significant. When synthetic tokens are exchanged for synthetic shares, there's a high likelihood that these institutional investors won't hold on to these synthetic shares for long. They might flood the open market with these shares, potentially increasing the supply beyond the real shares and exerting tremendous downward pressure on stock prices. Now let's address the burning question. How did they short AMC in particular? According to the available reports, short sellers looking to bet against AMC needed to borrow actual shares of the stock to initiate their short positions. However, borrowing AMC shares has been a formidable challenge for some time now, thanks to the exorbitant borrowing costs. Even in 2022, prior to the FTX saga, the difficulty of borrowing AMC shares was glaring, with borrowing fees reaching extraordinary levels of 500,000% to 700,000%. This is not your run-of-the-mill short interest. It's an anomaly that was sometimes labeled as a glitch or an erroneous number. All these inconsistencies point to something happening behind the scenes. It's a puzzle that raises questions about who was supplying these real shares. Were they being skipped by the traditional markets or wholesalers? Or perhaps the shares were being sourced indirectly through ETFs and then routed to the crypto market as tokenized shares. The concerning part is that these tokenized shares may not have an intrinsic connection to the actual underlying securities. This begs the question of how stock market rules and regulations allowed people to convert these tokenized shares into real tangible shares. And here's the kicker. No one seemed to be scrutinizing the source of these shares, whether they came from FTX or any other platform. According to the available information, this process was taking place in Switzerland, a country known for its rigorous oversight of financial activities. This public register and publicly available information are usually required for businesses to operate in Switzerland, making it even more baffling that this process went unnoticed. In conclusion, the world of finance is witnessing a transformation that raises a multitude of questions about the transparency and integrity of the system. The FTX feature that allows for the trading of synthetic shares and tokenized stocks is an innovation that has far-reaching implications. It has the potential to impact not just specific stocks like AMC, but the entire financial landscape. As we continue to unravel the mysteries surrounding this development, it's essential to consider the broader implications for investors and the market as a whole. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.